Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to digitalize your signature in Photoshop. Without more ado, let's get started. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, here we are in Photoshop. To digitalize your signature, you need to first of all take a white plain sheet of paper. Take a pen, any color of pen, but blue is preferable. If you have red pen, you can still use it as well. Sign your signature on the clean sheet of paper. Then take a picture of it and then send it to your computer. Alright, so after that, you can open it in Photoshop. So go over to File menu, go to Open, and you're going to open this image in Photoshop. Alright, so this is the image right here. So as you can see, this is instead the opposite. So I'm just going to flip it. Go over to image menu. I go to image rotation and I rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Voila. So this is how it should be. So when you're snapping your girls, just snap it straight. So after that, we need to crop out this part that is not important. So select your crop tool over here, come here and you crop it to remove the unwanted part. So make sure you use a plain white sheet of paper to do this. So after that, validate over here, and there is it. As you can see some scratches on the paper, but that doesn't really matter because we are going to make it cool. So select your move tool, right? Come over here, go to levels. When you're at levels, you select this, you push it this way. You can see we are trying to brighten the part of the image that is already bright. As you can see, it's already bright, so brighten it a little bit. You can push this one again to darken the image a little bit as well. All right, so that's the first thing you do, and make sure it is okay. Well, I think this is okay. Now after that, you right click on the levels layer, tap on flatten image. Right, you want to turn this image to 1. All right, then you unlock the layer, right click on the layer over here, go to blend option, and when you are at blending option, you're going to see this something like this. Under blending options, this is it. So you can see this stop. So hold alt key on your keyboard, come to this side to select one of them, click, and you push it forward. You can see that. I guess that's okay, and you tap OK. Then how are we sure that it is really well done? Come over here, select solid color. This color is okay, tap OK. Then bring it under the signature. As you can see, we still have some issues here, so let's go and sort that out. Select it, right click, go to blending options again, and this time we'll make sure that we eradicate all of these scratches here. So that's why it's always good to use a very clean sheet of paper. So hold out and push this one again till it disappears. Right now, if it doesn't really disappear completely, come to the second one, hold out, and you push it alongside with the first one. As you can see, that's it. I guess every other date, we don't have any other date there, so you tap on OK. So that's it. I think it's good. Double click here to change the color so that we should be sure if it's really good. All right, it's good. Then after that, let's hide this. This is our signature. Although it's not really, it looks a little bit cranky, but don't worry about that. Select the layer, right click, and you convert to smart object. Right, convert it to a smart object, and after that is done, right click, go to blending options, then you move over to color overlay. Right, on the color overlay, you're going to put a new color over here. So I prefer this blue, you see, because it's just like blue pen. So use my color code 1200FF. That's my color code. Tap OK. Then you validate here, and that's your signature. First of all, save as PSD, and after that you're going to export it as PNG. So tap on save as a copy or save as. You go over here, you choose PNG, So I'm going to put in a folder. All right, let me just say signature creation up here, and you validate here, tap OK, and there you go. You now have your signature. But let's see how this will actually look like on a document. So I'm going to open Microsoft Word. All right, I'm going to open Microsoft Word. I'm going to open a document and see how we can use this signature there. So let me use this like a letter. Click this. Okay, so title, let's say signature is supposed to be here. All I need to do is come to the folder that I've put the signature. So go to the folder that you save the signature as PNG and open it up. Where is it? There is it over here. So drag it and drop it in Microsoft Word, and there is it in a new page. It's not really perfect, but the background is white. I guess that will be okay. Select it, reduce the size, and go to format. We have wrap text, let me say behind text. All right, so I just drag it and drop it here. So that's your signature. Just in case you have a digital document that you would like to, sign your signature and turn into a digital form, because as you know, we are in a digital world, so we need to evolve as well. So just drag in your signature and drop it over here, and you're good to go. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.